Hello guys, good morning, Assalamualaikum. On this video I want to show you how to use conditional formatting. I want to explain to you what is conditional formatting is it and how to use it. This feature on Excel is very useful for you to remark something on your cell or to highlight something based on the data or based on the array you have or based on a number and based on a text. You can do it by conditional formatting. This one is very useful for you to make a fast analytic or to just remark something. Okay, let's get it on. Over here I have a table. There is contain three columns. Okay, number, amount, and batch. Number is normal number, 1 2 3 and so on, and the amount I will make it no comma, okay, no decimal. And the batch, only two batch. There is A, B, B, A, and B. Okay. Okay, I want to demonstrate to you now. And we just, let's say we block the A column and click the conditional formatting and the greater than. Let's try the greater than. Let's say the greater than 4. As you can see, it will highlight the cell that contain greater than 4. And the format you can modify as you want, like let's say red text or red border or yellow fill with dark green, and you can custom format, like for example fill by black and font is white, and click OK, and it will show the black cell and the white text. Okay, let's say let's try click OK. If I put over here 0, it will lost the highlight. Now I want to delete it, clear the rules, clear from selected cells. Now I want to try the other one. The less than is same like the greater than, and the between, let's say we want to highlight a cell within value between 1 and 7. It will highlight between 1 and 7. There is 2 3 4 5 and 6 value. Okay, I just click cancel because I want to demonstrate the other one. And equal to, let's say 0. As you can see on this AA column, which cell has 0 value will highlight it by conditional formatting. Okay, including the blank one, because the blank cell in Excel is considered as 0 value. Okay, now I click cancel, and the other one, text content. Let's see, we're using the CC column. Text that contains, let's say we want to highlight the A or the B or the T. As you can see, inside the batch there is a T. Okay, it will highlight because it contain not a full cell, not a whole cell, but it's contain any value on a cell. Let's say we click, we input age, also the batch one. If we input O, it won't highlight anything. Okay, I click cancel and try the other thing, date. I think my table doesn't have date. And duplicate value, this one is very easy, just click it and okay. As you can see, it highlighted the duplicate value. This example is very easy because only 12 row. If you have a bunch or many rows, you want to know which one is duplicate, this feature is very useful, very powerful. Let's say I change this one to T, it will not highlight it by the feature. Okay, now clear the conditional formatting, and I want to explain the other one, top 10 item, which means the value, the amount. Top 10 items, it will highlight top 10 of your data. Basically it's a number, of course, obviously, and then the top 10%, which means the 10%, the highest one. Okay, let's try the top 10%. As you can see, it will returns the on this BB column, which one the 10% highest one. About the calculation, I don't really understand it, but it's very useful. I rarely use this top percent, this top 10%. I commonly use the top 10 item, bottom 10 items, and above average or below average. First, we clear first, and let's say we want to make above average. No. Below average. Okay. Now we have this BB column that's highlighted the below average data, which means only only 9 data is below the average. Okay, now clear again, clear the selected cells, and we try the other thing. Okay, it's done. Now the data bar, this one will show you the data. Okay, will highlight you like a graphic. It's very good, very nice, right? If I click this purple color, as you can see, the highest one got full highlight, and the lowest it's only thin highlight or thin graphic, like that. Okay, we clear again. There's the data bars and the color scale, basically same with the data bars, but this one highlight all whole the cell, and will generate to you, for example, this one, the green color is the highest and the red color is the lowest, and the reverse also have, uh, where's the reverse, oh, there's no reverse of the first. Okay, we can use more rules, later I will explain. Now I clear the rules and the color scales again. This is the reverse. The first one will show you the highest with the green color, and the second one will show you the highest with the red color. Okay, and the last is the icon sets. This icon sets, uh, similar with the color scale or the data bar, but with it will use the icon. As you can see, there is directional, which mean the green is the highest one, and the red with the bottom arrow is the low value, and the other is similar like before with the stars. Okay, but I don't really know what it makes it like this. I don't really know why it make it just this cell with the green color with up arrow and the other is bottom. But it's very good if you want to just to highlight where is the highest data you have or the lowest data you have, or we can also use the scale like this and the other one. Okay, now clear all the rules. Sorry, clear from selected cells, and let's say we want to make a new rule. Okay, basically it's just same like the button before. Format cell based on their value, 3 color bars. This one is to show you which one the highest, which one the lowest, and you can change the midpoint, let's say 90, uh, number, sorry, percent, 70% or anything, and format cell that contains cell value, specific text, date, blanks, no blanks, error and no errors, and format like before, format only below average, we already did, and format only unique. And the last one is the you can use for determine the custom formula or custom function if you want to highlight based on your function. Okay, this feature I will explain to you in the in the other video, because this one is mm, very complex, and so many application you can do with this feature. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I hope it useful for you. If you has sorry, if you have any question, just put on the comment. If you like my video, put your thumb, put your like on the video, or subscribe my channel. It will help me to improve my skill, to improve my video, to create more content to you and deliver to you easily. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.